Hey, what's going on everybody? Ali Saleh here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a $50,000 funded challenge account literally at no additional cost to you, absolutely for free. So you want to make sure that you stay till the very end of this video. Let's dive right in, run that B-roll, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.
Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my. Yeah.
All right, guys, now that we're back, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the keys to a 50K funded account by just doing one thing. So I'm going to go ahead, guys, and share my screen, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how you guys can uncover getting a $50,000 funded account with Tradex Mastery for absolutely free. Let's go ahead and do this together as a family. So first and foremost, guys, right here, as you can see, we have the ability where you can get a 50K funded challenge account for absolutely free from tomorrow the 28th at 12:01 a.m. PST through July 31st at 11:59 p.m. PST. All new enrollments in the Akashx community will receive a 50K trading challenge account with a purchase of a trade and travel membership. Okay, so what does that mean for you? I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this and show you exactly what it is that we have to offer. So here is our website, guys, akashx.com. I'm gonna link my direct link in the video description below for you to get started, and all you have to do is come on here, click join now, get started with our trade and travel pack. Okay, and essentially you have access to our live sessions, our academy, trade alerts, our iconic tap to trade system, our market scanners, and I'm going to show you a little bit about our website right here. You'll have access to our academy for it'll give you beginner, advanced, and intermediate sessions, our live trading sessions. These are money making sessions. Access to our copy and paste trade alerts, our tap to trade feature, our market scanners, guys. They're revolutionary. We have many of them. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys everything here. And our trade and travel right now is $229 to start, $229 per month. You get everything that you get in the trade system, plus you unlock our Dream Trips, which is the #1 travel portal in the industry with discount travel and so many different things. And I'm going to show you a little bit more about this. So let's dive right in to the Akashx back office, guys. When you come here, you'll have our getting started guide, gives you a whole entire walkthrough of your back office. So you can connect your MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or Trade Locker directly here by just putting in your details and clicking get started. Our academy with beginner, advanced, expert, and crypto, as well as our educator training series. So you can come in here and watch our educator training series and learn how each one of our educators trade. As you can see here, all of our educators are highly qualified, excellent educators who've been trading for a very, very long time, right? Then we have our live trading sessions as well. If you guys can see here, we have over 50 live trading sessions that happen every single week in English and Spanish and multiple different languages. So you guys can take advantage of that. We have all of our session replays back here as well. So any sessions that you miss, you can come and go ahead and navigate it through here. Then we also have our trade alerts. We have our Forex, crypto, binary, commodities, and indices alerts, and we update all of them back here so you can keep track of them and copy and paste your way to profit. And then our tap to trade as well. And also, I'm going to go ahead and dive into my phone right now, and I'm going to show you guys how our Akashx app works. And I'm also going to put a video in here showing you how our tap to trade system works. So as you guys can see right here, we're going to log in to the system here, and we're going to go direct to the phone, and I'm going to show you guys how the Akashx app works. It looks just like the website. It's a bit different though. As you can see here, we go through, and here are our tap to trades, guys. All you have to do is come in here and approve the notifications, and it will enter you into the trades. Very, very simple. You don't have to do much. All you have to do is approve, and that's it. The educators will go ahead and manage everything. We have everything back here, like our academy is linked back here, so you can take a look at everything. We could go into dark mode, which I like a lot more. So it's very, very simple. Then our trade alerts, guys, you could just copy and paste these parameters directly in to MT4, MT5, or Trade Locker. So really, really cool, exciting stuff. All right, guys. So that's enough sharing my screen there for a second. And then now I'm going to show you guys how the tap to trade system works. So if you look right here, as you can see on your screen, you just get a notification on your phone. You click on it, you click approve. It enters you into the trade. It automatically calculates your lot size. That's it. Very, very simple. Then you could come back here, guys, and take a look at our tap traders, and you can view our traders and their results for the month. So as you can see here, Javed is up 3%. Joel is up 2.5%. John Liel is up 1.7%. Matthew Thayer is up almost 1%. Mohammed, he's up 0.5%. We have access to all of these right here, all of our market scanners. So we go to Golden Rain. You can come back here and use Golden Rain. We have our Go scanner. We have the Elite Sniper scanner. All of this stuff is out here, Breakout Momentum, and you can use all of these tools and resources to your advantage to pass our funded challenge. So let's go ahead and talk about the funded challenge prop firm company that we're partnered with, Tradex Mastery, guys. They're giving away a 50K challenge account for you to get started with Akashx. So let's go ahead and look at the rules. All right, guys. Really clean website, reputable company. I've been using these individuals for a very long time. They're absolutely killing it. So let's go to the 50K account. So obviously you have a 10% on phase 1, 5% on phase 2. You can trade for as long as you want, guys. No duration. All right. You have the leverage right here, 1 to 100. Minimum trading days, 5 days on each phase. You have your max loss at 10%. Max loss 10% as well in phase 2. Daily loss 5%. Very, very standard. Weekend holding, no. And then obviously if you pay for the challenge, you will get a refund when you go live. Obviously in this case, you're not going to have to pay the $325 to actually get the 50K account. So the reality is, guys, all you have to do is get started for $229 right now. You'll get access to all the resources you need for you to actually pass a challenge. You get access to educators, live trading sessions, signals, a community of over 5,000 people who are here to help you and hold your hand throughout the entire process, and you get a 50K funded account as well. Now, the next thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to talk a little bit about Dream Trips International. So I'm going to show you guys what Dream Trips is. This is a discounted booking engine. This is where you get curated trips. I travel so much, right? And people always see me at airport lounges and all this stuff, and people think I'm paying top dollar for this. I'm not. I just have trade and travel here with Akashx and Dream Trips. And I'm going to airport lounges. I'm getting 24/7 concierge. I'm getting discounted travel with hotels and flights and condos and cars, cruises, all that stuff. And I have access to curated trips as well, which is really cool too, because if I want to, let's say, go to Cairo, right? Let's take a look at this trip real quick. Because once you start trading, guys, and you make money, like, you're going to start traveling the world, okay? So let's just say we want to take this trip right here. We can go ahead and do that, and we'll get access to special Dream Trips pricing, super low. Like, a trip like this, guys, will cost thousands of dollars, but with Dream Trips you get extra discounts for you to really take advantage of that. So let's actually just sign. So I just logged in, and as you can see here, it's $659 for this trip. You go to Cairo, Egypt, you go to the pyramids, the bazaars, you go to the Nile. You have access to all of this stuff, guys. It's incredible. But we have all this day one itinerary. You could come in here and see the full itinerary. They got everything planned out for you, what you're going to have access to, all the parties, everything is here, guys. Buffet, breakfast. When you go to this trip, guys, everything is ironed out for you. You have a host. They meet you at the airport. They're holding up a sign with your name. They pick you up at the airport. They take you to your hotel. You're already checked in. You're treated like a king. So not only do you get access to all the trade, you get access to all the travel, you get access to a 50K funded account, you have all the tools and resources and everything needed for you to pass this challenge. So at the end of the day, guys, right here, right now, this is such a no-brainer for someone to get started and take advantage of this 50K funded account challenge. Guys, most people right now, to get started, you have to pay $229 plus the $325, and That's a lot, right? But now all you're gonna do is a 229, you could get started, and literally once you pass your challenge, guys, you compound that, you take your profits, you buy another challenge account. Now instead of 50K, maybe you buy a 100K account. Now you have $150,000 in capital to trade with. Super no-brainer, guys. Please go ahead, click the link below in the description. Let's get started. Let's make some money together. An opportunity like this is not gonna come around again. Get your 50K funded account for free. Get started in my community. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care and stay blessed.